A smudge doesn't have to ruin a drawing. Sometimes, it's exactly what makes the picture unique. Imagine sketching a massive container truck. The outline is long, heavy, stretching across the page. You're focused, careful, trying to keep every line straight. Then suddenly, the pencil slips, the shading spreads too far, and there's a smudge. At first it feels like a mistake, something that spoils the clean design. But if you look closer, if you keep working, that smudge can become texture, grit on the wheels, shadow under the frame, a mark that gives the truck weight and realism. Life is no different. We spend so much time trying to keep everything neat, controlled, flawless. But perfection is fragile. The truth is, it's the smudges, the setbacks, the detours, the scars, that make our journey unforgettable. A container truck isn't admired because it's spotless. It's respected because it carries heavy loads across difficult roads, leaving marks of endurance along the way. Every long journey leaves traces, a dent in the metal, a scratch in the paint, dust on the windows. Those marks don't destroy the truck. They prove it has lived, worked, and overcome. In the same way, our smudges prove we've tried, we've struggled, we've grown. So don't be afraid of the flaws on your page. Don't erase every mark, because sometimes the very thing you thought ruined the picture is what gives it soul. And like this container truck, stronger because of its wear, more authentic because of its marks, your life, with all its smudges, may be more unique and unforgettable than you ever imagined.